Hello everyone, thanks for coming back to the channel. The title for today's video is How to Make Money from Sponsored Posts. Keep watching and I'll give you my thoughts after the break. Hi everyone. Sponsored posts. Sponsored posts relate to opportunities on your website. So here's my website to demonstrate. I have a blog and I publish on there on a regular basis, at least once a week during normal times. And if I scroll back, I'm going to go back a couple of pages, just clicking through now. I'm going to quickly just show you two examples of sponsored posts on the Marketing Fundamentals website. If you haven't subscribed already, this shared or VPS hosting is a sponsored post. 7 important questions to consider when ordering checks is a sponsored post on my website. How do you get these sponsored posts? That's what I'm going to talk about today. First thing you must do, and spoiler alert, this is for business owners really rather than individuals, because you must have a website. So if you are a business owner with a website, what you need to do to attract your own customers to the website is create ongoing content. So you must publish on a regular basis your blog posts and videos and embed those in so that your website is alive, so that when customers and prospects come to your website, hopefully you're using search engine optimization effectively, and customers come to your website, they see that you have regular content and they see that that content is recent, then they will be attracted to your website, your audience will grow, and theoretically your audience grows and then you get more customers, whether you're in professional services as I'm in or you're in another sector. That's the essence of content marketing, and that's how you attract people to your website. Now, sponsored posts are opportunities when other companies recognize your audience and they think, oh, this is a valuable audience. Mike, for example, at Marketing Fundamentals Limited and marketingfundamentals.com is talking to a B2B audience. That's the same audience that we have. So what we're going to do is we're going to buy a blog post on the Marketing Fundamentals website, and in that way we can reach his audience. So he might have an audience of 10,000. We can reach that audience through a sponsored blog post. In the actual blog post, the sponsored blog post, there will be embedded links. I'm not going to go into that now because I don't want to highlight each individual link in this video, but there'll be embedded links to another additional company. So if I was, let's say, for example, and this is just a theoretical example, let's say a company like Salesforce, I wanted to reach my audience, they would write a blog post, I would publish it on the marketingfundamentals.com website, and then there would be links within that to Salesforce's sales pages, and people click through and register their interest or arrange appointments or purchase a product, etc. That's what a sponsored post is. That's how a sponsored post works. Just as a disclaimer, I don't think we've had Salesforce as a company that's bought a sponsored post on our website yet. But that's how a sponsored post works. How do you get these? Well, you need to generate content on an ongoing basis, obviously. So you need to have an online entity, a website for your company or organization that is already generating traffic and has an audience established over time. That's the first thing. And then after that, just in terms of housekeeping, you'll need a media kit. A media kit is something that tells your prospective advertiser, and when I say advertiser, I mean via the sponsored post. It tells them, hey, this is the audience, these are the type of opportunities there are on this website. Do they want to take advantage of that? That's what a media kit is. Now, rather than showing you my media kit, and also I don't want to show you my media kit, and also I don't want to show you my specific rates for my websites. And when I say websites, I'm also referring to learnmoney.io, which is another website that's a personal finance focused websites. So there's a post from there. Are you missing out on compound interest? And the URL for learnmoney.io is learnmoney.io. So you can find that there if you're not aware of that website. There is also a learnmoney.io playlist on this YouTube channel. So if you haven't explored that, you can see lots of money making initiatives, money saving initiatives, investment initiatives covered on that website. And if it's the first time you're hearing about it, I invite you to explore that website. Anyway, back to media kits. Media kits, and I found a good reference for lots of examples of media kits that you can follow if you want to enhance your opportunities for generating money for your website and your business via sponsored posts. So let's have a look at this is an article on Biz Mavens, and I will link to this in the description as usual. I'm going to scroll now. I want to just show you the examples of media kits. So here are some media kits. So you can see the Geraldine Thomas, and there's her URL, has highlighted the number of visitors, unique visitors, pages per visit, return visitors, time on site, etc. So that's a good snapshot of key data, key metrics for any potential sponsored post purchaser. And let's face it, that's another company, or it may be an agency purchasing on behalf of one of their clients. Let's close this. Okay, let's scroll down. Here's another one, Ren Bihan Food, and here's her media kit. Once again, key stats here, unique visitors per month. That's probably one of the key pieces of information that any sponsored post purchaser or an agency will want to know. So that's 30,000. Another one here. So as I say, I'll link to this media kit examples article in the description below. Finn's Designs, here's another one. So you can see this is usually one pages, quite nicely designed, highlighting all of the key information for the website. I'm just going to scroll now. So that's Gina Mayo. Scroll it down. Gypsy Forest. Similar there. There's more writing on that one. Musings by Mix Hart. We'll just go to 10. There's 20 on this page. Personal Accent, Angela Swanson. So that's great. And that's his blog stats, page views, unique visits, Facebook, and then all of the socials and Alexa score, etc., etc. So when you're making a media kit for your website, this is a good guide in terms of the information that you should include. So it's all here. We're going to go to. I'm just going to go to Quilter Chic, Cheryl Brown. See another one here, and she's gone further and added the ads that you can purchase or headers you can purchase, and then her rates. No, rates are not there, but you can see how to contact her. I'm just going to go quickly down to 20 so you can see the different variety there is on this article. 25 monthly uniques, 5,000 there. So this is what you need to produce when people request a sponsored post opportunity on your website. Brilliant. Okay, so that's 18, 19. Here's one here. Jessica Fiorillo, and finally Destination Weddings. Now let me just wrap up by saying those are great examples of media kits. My media kit is very simple, and it's similar to these, but it's quite simple. But what I've found is that because I've been writing blog posts for a long time, so since it started in 2010 on marketing fundamentals, I think started in 2018 on Learn Money. That's the separate website I showed earlier. I get people coming to me every day requesting sponsored posts or sponsored links. So I don't have to do very much outreach. I get a lot of people, because the URL is well established, I get a lot of people coming to me, and then I negotiate with them, and then we go ahead and publish the sponsored posts, as you saw in the first sort of minute or two of this video. So I hope that's been helpful for you. If you haven't subscribed already, if you found this useful to you and the examples, etc., please give me a like. Click on one of the two screenshots to watch another video. I look forward to speaking to you next time. Thanks very much. Bye-bye.